Is this heaven? Or is this Today in Iowa? Come on back and I'll share my location with you. Well, hi everybody. How many people guessed the Field of Dreams movie site? Yep, that's where I'm at. I'm just north of Dyersville, Iowa. I live about 20 miles from here. I haven't been out here in a long time, and I thought you might enjoy seeing this movie site that's 30 years old now. It's hard to believe that filming took place here for about 15 weeks in 1988. You may also recall the voice speaking to the Iowa farmer, and he talked about build it and they will come, and they sure have. Information on site explains that approximately 65,000 visitors a year visit the site, and they come from as far away as Australia and Japan. You may also recall the movie starred Kevin Costner, James Earl Jones, and Burt Lancaster. So if you're a baseball fan, or you just want to see a good movie, check out the Field of Dreams. And if you find yourself in eastern Iowa, make some time to come out and check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the quick tour here, and now we'll get on with the pond video. Our best laid plans have been changed because of the incredible amount of rain we've received in August. Over the Labor Day weekend, we've received about 5 inches of rain. And between that weekend and today, September 7th, we picked up another 1.5 inches. And I know conservatively in August we had 5 inches of rain. So I'm not exaggerating when I say I know we had over 11 inches of rain. My thoughts now are, I'm not in any hurry. Maybe we wait until November and do the project then. I don't think there would be any downside to waiting until then. It's going to be hard to keep up and pump that pond out and keep up with the amount of water that's coming in. Let's go over and remove the clean-out cap. This is the most water I've seen come through here ever. It's working real well, though. Well, there you go, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Today in Iowa. I'll see you next time. So long for now.